you stretching our splits and how to working on our splits, I will show you now some elements which help you to do that. So stay with me, follow me, and we will get started. First exercise which we're starting to do, we'll take it on our knee and starting to pushes and slowly get up. So 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Get sit in this position, take our hands and take our leg on the feet, and we will start to push it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take our knee on the floor and our right hand going and catch back leg. So your knee must be on your feet, not like that and not like that. So let's work and take it. 1, 2 and 3. Catch our leg and fix in this position and stay. So 1, 2, 3. Get back and starting work and take push. So 1, 2 and 3. And to work slowly, take 2 knees together. Take a little breathe. Slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe me, and going to watch